Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the split edit function in DaVinci Resolve 19. So guys, I'm going to quickly add a video here onto my timeline. And in order to use the split edit function, you want to have, let's say, multiple different clips here. So I'm going to simply utilize this same video clip and just split it a few times by simply pressing Ctrl B and make a few splits along the way here in this video clip here. So as you can see now, I have it into a few parts. Let's make another one here. And so we have this video clip in basically 5 parts, right? So as you can see, we made 5 splits. Now, in order to utilize this split edit function here in DaVinci Resolve, you want to go ahead and select this trim edit function here. As you see, it says trim edit mode. You want to select this. And in order to utilize this mode, what you want to do is simply go ahead and just find that clip that you want to move. So let's say I would like to move this clip here. I can simply hover over this clip and simply move it to the left or to the right. Now notice what's happening. If I move this clip, you realize that you can see like an outline where the clip is going or where the clip is going from. As you can see, they're currently moving, and you can simply go ahead and utilize a slip edit function here to edit your clips, or let's say to position your clips to the correct time in the video that you want. So as you can see here, I can move this to the left or to the right. So let's say I want to move it right here. I can go ahead and I can let it go, and that's going to do that for my video clip. I can do the same thing for another video clip. I can move it to the left or to the right. Let's say I want this one to be maybe here. I can do like that as well. And if you see now, when I play my video, you'll realize that there's going to be some different changes into the video clip. So you have to find the best way how to do it for yourself, guys. But this is a function that is very powerful in DaVinci Resolve that you can utilize. It's called a split edit function, and that is very smooth when you, especially when you're working with video clips and you want to position your video clips to a specific point in time in the video that you want it to start or to end. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.